Why the actors quiet? You all were noisy in the rehearsals. Come on.
Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Now,
We're not going back so soon. I think we have.
yeah, we're going to have the performance right now with all the rejects coming on stage. But first of all, where'd you find them? Like
was-
where?
It was easy and hard, huh?
Yeah? Which one? Who was the harder one? Was he harder to find or was she harder to find?
They were just hard to record.
Hard to locate and record.
Hard to record, yeah.
But it's okay. I think the energy works very well on stage. We're gonna have a
They're
very
amazing.
obviously because they're singing rejects. We've got the rejects that have come on stage and they're going to introduce themselves. The very, very cast that y'all have come here to see. So I'm going to leave the stage to them right now. I'm going to give it to you. पहले डांस होगा
पहले डांस होगा चलो ठीक है
काफी ईगर बीवर हैं आप ऑलरेडी पहुंच गए विदाउट योर मास्क now turn around in a nice filmy fashion. There we go.
I'm gonna like shield him from everyone. कर ले भाई.
Thank you. Hello, good evening, everyone. Sneha and the Rejects team. You guys were just fabulous. A big round of applause for them. We wanted to see more of you, but I guess we should wait for the show to launch. This was just a small trailer. There's a lot more coming in the show.
You know, we've been watching the trailer. Yeah, we've been watching the trailer. Production value is fantastic. I didn't expect this crazy energy on stage as well. When you guys were like sort of oking this and watching, you must have scrutinized this 100 million times. Every time the same energy?
We trusted Goldie.
Of course. Goldie Bell, ladies and gentlemen. करता धरता शो के बुलाएंगे स्टेज पर थोड़ी देर में.
We should call him on stage, please.
Yes. So right now, okay. So ladies and gentlemen, we set the stage for Goldie Bell. Please call him on stage, the producer of the show, who knew every word of every rap, every song. Congratulations, sir, and congratulations to the entire cast. We're going to take all their names, but before we go into this, how many of you all go back into time and remember the remix times? How many of you all remember? Really? Oh, a little bit. Let's move a little bit closer. Yeah. So this reminds me of that. It's giving me that excitement. You know, I've done so many launches. Sometimes I don't feel the buzz over there. Then you create the buzz with all this discussion and then controversy. But here, I don't think we need that. So well done. Congratulations. This is looking fantastic. And well done to all of you all. It really, really is. You deserve a round of applause because this is your big launch. And you're like a proud papa. I'm liking it.
अरे पापा इतना जल्दी मतलब हाँ. So yeah, I mean it's bigger and better than remix, and it's for a new generation. It's for the millennials. It's for the Gen Z on Z5, and I'm just thankful and grateful for TK, Milind, Aparna, everybody to give me the opportunity to actually express the way I imagined it and the way we wanted to do it. It's very rare that, you know, the creator and the platform, they all come in harmony together. Because most of the times, you know, there are different things wanted from different people. But it was a great experience, and it's all showing on the show because the energies has been fantastic on the show. And the vibes have been incredible. All these guys have been incredible. My friend over there, Sumit, has been incredible. Kubra, who's not here, I'm missing her. She's been incredible.
She's in London and she's WhatsApping.
Yeah, she's
Yeah,
WhatsApping.
So
Yeah.
so it's working there. She's very excited there.
And I'll be always thankful to Sumit for doing this part and really giving a lot of credibility to the show. Because it's very important when you're launching, you have a lot of responsibility to launch 7 newcomers. We need all the support and the help that we can get. And it was very kind of Sumit to step into this series and, you know, actually with his presence push the show and make it, you know, give it his star power, his presence, and his amazing performance as well.
So we're going to call Sumit Vyas on stage. Sir, bring your star power up this grey carpet of mine. Ladies and gentlemen, loud applause for Sumit Vyas. Perhaps one of the finest actors that we have in our industry. Your words of wisdom will be taken, sir, thodi der mein. But you know, these 7 that I have, we must introduce them. Ahmed. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Ahmed Masi Wali, who was very eager. So now are you ready, buddy? They all know you and you're ready. Anisha Victor, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for her. Ayush Khurana, put your hands together for Ayush. Are your parents watching the live feed? They better. Didn't you WhatsApp them quickly? We got a little delayed. We're doing it. All right. Prabneet Singh ke liye taaliyan. There we go. I thought you'd never get on stage, buddy. I was wondering when you're going to get on stage. All right. Riddhi Khakar ke liye taaliyan. Riddhi, there you go. Sadhika Sayal ke liye taaliyan. And Pooja Shetty, the lady of bling. Okay, so before we ask him, who's the worst dancer of the lot who took the most time to get like sort of ready? Because a lot of rehearsals went into this. I've never seen such a show, yes.
Let me answer that.
Yeah.
I think Firoz is the best person to answer that. He's there in the crowd.
Firoz,
But-
there you are.
Ha.
So I see him in the gym all the time, but he's the great dancer. Sir, bolo, point
and, no, I'll tell you.
Acha, okay.
The guys who didn't come up on stage. No, but to be fair, I mean, they're all incredibly hardworking and they're fantastic. And actually, Maddie Ayush,
Yeah.
he's the DJ, he's the composer. So when you see the series, he's generally behind a DJ console. He's composing all the music.
Right.
Prabneet, who's playing the role of Harry,
Right.
he's their manager. So he's the jugadu who gets them the gigs, who enters them into this, music battle.
Right.
Arav and Kiara are the lead singers in the
Yeah.
band. Misha is the choreographer.
Okay.
And Samat is the lyricist. And Parnomitra Riddhi brings this unique element of playing the electric violin in the middle of the song.
Sweet.
So they all have something to contribute in the band, and it's actually one of the episodes is how they all come together as well.
Well, I can't wait to watch it. 25th July it's going to be. But it's so good. Your journey, I think, has been the journey of digital television in India, And I think, you're one of the pioneers in it. And you're still so grounded. That's what I love about you. Wherever you come, it's so much fun. So, Sumit, I have to say this. You have to say nice things about yourself. He said such lovely things. But it really is true. You haven't changed at all. Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. He's made normal look cool. Otherwise, everything was aakhe badi, left, right, center, pull back and all with, and you made that kind of stuff as well. But I think you made normal look so cool. So some words from you.
Hello? Yeah. I think normal is the new cool, I think also the way we consume entertainment has changed over the last, 5-10 years. Earlier, the whole idea was that you needed to do something extraordinary for people to come and engage with you. But now it's become the other way around with the cell phone and with the iPads and, with the screens going smaller, you draw them in, and if you're doing a lot, then you don't really draw them in. So if more is happening inside you, then they really want to see what's happening inside. What is it that he's not telling me? So yeah, there's a lot that I'm not telling you.
But on a general level also, so much has changed in the last year or so. Now it's like this race. Who's going to produce the first 20 shows? It's not like 1 or 2 anymore. And that also can scare an actor also for being overexposed. In your case also, you could be a little scared. But so now you're starting to finally think and, then say yes to projects and friends, over strangers, maybe that way?
Yeah, I mean, now generally what I do is I get excited working with people, I got really excited when I got to know that Goldie sir is interested in working with me. So I was like, Arey, yeah. And also, before I met him, I had never met him before. I had this preconceived notion that, he's as Bollywood can get. He's proper. I was like, Arey, he's such a big guy and how will he be? And he was so normal. I was like, Arey, this is my zone. This is my territory. I only hang with normal people. So
ये ऐसे ही बदनाम करके रखा है बॉलीवुड बच्चों को. हम लोग सब नॉर्मल ही है. तो क्या अगर हम सब जूस स्कीम में ही घूमते हैं?
But all of them have also got an opportunity. I think if you had to say who was the toughest, I mean, when you've been dealing with them also, who was the toughest to convince to come on board, Like you had to make 100 phone calls to the parents also and say, beta project acha hai.
No, fortunately, I didn't have to do that. They all came through a very, tough auditioning process,
Right.
Do
Do you sit on that personally also?
Pardon?
Do you sit on the auditioning process personally?
Well, it gets shortlisted by my casting director, and then I get to watch a few. And I remember watching all their auditions. They all didn't come for the roles that they got finally. They came to audition for different roles, but with the casting director, myself, and Shraddha and everybody, we figured that maybe this one should be tried out for this role, and then they were re-auditioned for it and all. But it was such a pleasure to get completely people who you didn't know at all. I don't know any of them from before. I've never partied with any of them. I've never hung out with any of them. So it's my first time that I've actually got to know all of them, including Sumit and Kubra. And it was just so wonderful, and it is so liberating, and it's so amazing that, this is an example in front of you guys, of 7 newcomers being launched, and eternally grateful to Z to actually take it up, give it their might, give it their push, put them up on hoardings, and, spend this whole lot of money on making this product.
I like this whole lot of money. Huh? It looks worth it also.
Yeah, man. I mean, it's very easy for them to say, "Acha yaar, theek hai, newcomers hain, ye lo thode se paise le lo, kuch try karte hain."
Correct.
But it's a legit, it's a full-on production with a good canvas. We've shot it abroad. We've got Sneha to do the music. So at no point are we cutting any corners. Once that responsibility was given to me, then I also took that responsibility one step higher. We went to Bangkok. We got that whole campus cordoned off. We shot over there for 55, 60 days. I mean, it was absolutely incredible. And that's the way you're supposed to do it. And that's the kind of faith once you have in the creators. You need to back them all the way. And I'm eternally grateful to you guys, man.
That's true, actually. Before I let Goldie call a very special person on stage, since this is the first time you're in front of the media, I would love you all to say just a line or two. You seem super confident, buddy. You dance really well also. What would you like to say for your mother who's watching?
I think my mom's sleeping right now. I didn't tell her it's going to be on air. But for me, it has actually been a wonderful journey. Working with Goldie sir and that on your first mainstream project is like a dream come true. I still remember that I had shot like a selfie video to one of his old songs. And I played it for him, like, listen, look at the date. I shot this before I came here, before I met you. So I feel like I had a connection with him way before I started the show. I appreciate his work, and the whole journey has been a blast. I've had an amazing time, short of words.
I've been very fortunate. I've been very fortunate to get this project, and it was a blast shooting this project in Bangkok. We worked very hard for 2 months, and I hope you guys watch it and like it. Thank you.
No, actually, it was a wonderful experience to work with such a fabulous team. And yeah, I would just tell the audience, do watch our show. It's coming live, and it's coming and launching on 25th July. So do watch and share your love.
So it's been a great experience working with fabulous team and Goldie sir, like DOPs and everyone who was a part of this project. And I just want to say thank you to everyone who made it really easy to work with and who were really supportive throughout the shoot. So thank you so much, guys.
I get super nervous on stage. I would just like to say that I'm extremely blessed to be here. Thank you so much, Goldie, for having faith in me. And my parents came over here all the way from Dubai, and thank you, Mama and Papa. Hi, they're there. Thank you.
I'm going to give a boring thank you cliche speech, but it's necessary. Thank you, Goldie. Thank you, Z. Thank you, Milind sir, Shraddha, Arjun, Himanshu, for giving us this opportunity, for trusting youngsters like us, newcomers like us, and guiding us through and through. And we had a blast these 2 months because everybody was so much fun on set. And we had a lot of fun doing it, so I'm sure you all will have a lot of fun watching it. So 25th July.
काफ़ी अच्छा लगा मुझे सर के साथ काम करके
ऊपर पकड़
जो दिल से बोलूँगा बस काफ़ी अच्छा था सर के साथ काम करके बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला और सर से काफ़ी कुछ एक्सपीरियंस करने को मिला एंड
That's not sounding right. वो नहीं बताना था.
I mean in acting. Yeah, no. अभी clear करना है. Thanks for giving me this opportunity. Yeah. Sir, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity and believing in me. I am very thankful to you.
I am very thankful to you too.
Big round of applause for all of them. And you'd like to call someone special on stage, Goldie?
Yeah, I know. I insisted that I do this because, you know, it's been my dream. And it's been a long pending dream to work with Sneha. And we've been talking and wanting to work together since about 8 years. Sneha, where is she? She's gone. Yeah, it's been almost like eight or 10 years we've been wanting to work together.
Yes.
And we've been chatting, we've been talking. I've written scripts, she's done music, and we've dropped them. Those songs are still lying with me. And she's such a wonderful girl, lady now. And she's also a behel, so now she's blessed extra now.
We'd like to call you on stage, Sneha. Do come on stage, please.
Come up.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's the cast of Rejects. The producer, everyone, let's have a lovely photo op. We'll come right in the middle, but before the photo op, do you want to say anything else about this wonderful gentleman who said so many nice things about you?
I do actually.
Yeah.
I've been actually wanting to work with Goldie for a long time. I've never made love songs or cute songs or
And I always believed that she could.
sweet ballads, innocent songs, but yeah, everything for him, and it's turned out really nice. And can I please quickly introduce my team? Like, just a big clap for the entire music team. Shazan, who's the music producer on the album. Charan and Pratika, the lead voices. Shazneen, who's kept us together. Everybody else. Okay, yeah, thanks.
We count everybody in. So everybody now come in. No, come for the photo ops. So just, okay. Okay, सब लोग पीछे, sorry. How do you want it? U-turn, semicircle चाहिए या कैसा चाहिए? Okay, just, yeah, that's fine, yeah. Let me just take the mics in. Hang on. It doesn't look nice. One sec. I'll take that, yeah. Let me take that. Yeah. Brilliant. All right, smile everybody. This is going in the papers tomorrow. Look nice. Look happy. Yes. स्नेहा मैम बीच में आ जाइए बीच में yeah all right 3 2 1 cheese everybody wow not a sound from them I don't think that worked okay 1 2 3 cheers everybody there we go okay okay that wraps it up ladies and gentlemen I think that was really fine thank you so much and good luck yes cast solo we're going to take solos of the cast. Thank you, Sneha. Thank you, Goldie. Thank you, Aparna. Thank you so much. Cast, stay back on stage, including you, Sumit. We'll start with you. सबसे senior है ना, तो पहले तुम्हारा chance है, sir. So we'll do solos. Everyone just go back towards the X of Rejects, and we'll just do solos.